You love to go on vacation, but do you worry about your home when you leave? Here are some simple steps you can take to find peace of mind on your next trip. Let's start with the things you can do the week before you leave. Begin clearing out the fridge, getting rid of anything that may turn funky while you're gone. Set up a timer on a lamp or other lights inside your home. Dark homes at night are easy targets for break-ins, and timers help save electricity and prevent fires. Suspend any deliveries or plan to have a friend or family member bring in your mail. Piled up mail can get damaged, stolen, or signal thieves that your home is vacant. Once you're packed and ready to go, it's time to go through a quick out-the-door checklist. Adjust your thermostat, no lower than 55 degrees in the winter and no higher than 80 degrees in the summer. Close your blinds to help further regulate the temperature indoors. Just leave any street-facing blinds slightly open so the home looks lived in. If your water heater has a vacation setting, turn it on. Unplug your electronics and appliances to prevent phantom power draw and protect from power surges. Water your plants, empty the trash, lock the windows and doors, and enjoy your trip. We hope these tips help keep your home safe and give you peace of mind. If anything does happen while you're away, we can help. Contact your local Rainbow International for help repairing or restoring your home.